Hello, welcome to the third episode of the Excel series. This course is designed to help you understand formulas in Excel. Today, I'll be showing you how to get the current date in your sheets, how to filter, and how to sort. My name is Norma Omagina, and I'm your instructor for today. So, to get the current date and time on your sheet, let's say we want to have the date here in this column, the term date. So in the first cell, you can write the formula today. That is the formula to get the current date. So we just say equal to today and hit enter. And that gives us the current date information. And you can easily format this into a long date format or a short date format depending on what you need. So now let's look at filtering. So filters can be applied to show or hide specific data. So to do that, we select the range of information that we want to filter. Next, we hit this sort and filter button here. And now we have the options and we can hit the filter command. So that will give us the filter menu on the first cell of our selection, which is the header of the selected data. And now when we hit that filter command, we see the options to select specific information that we want displayed, right? So we can just select the information for Andrew's and we apply that, and the data is sorted is filtered to only show us information for Andrew. Or we can use the text filters to select only information that begins with Andrew. Let's say we want to see everyone whose name is Andrew on our list. And now we have that information filtered out for us to see. So next, let's look at sorting information. So sorting is arranging your data in a specific order, either ascending or descending. So if you have numbers, the numbers will be arranged from the smallest to the largest in ascending order, or from the largest to the smallest in descending. If you have text information, your data will be sorted from A to Z in ascending order, or the other way around in descending. So let's see how that works. So the sorting command works in the same way as the filtering command. We select specific information and then we hit the sort or filter button and we can see our sorting options. So let's pick sort ascending. If you notice, I did not select the entire column information. So Excel is smart enough to know that there's some more data beyond my selection. So it prompts me to either expand to all of the data in that column or just sort only what I have selected. So let's click on expand and sort so that it sorts all the employee information. So now that we do that, we can see that our data is sorted from A to Z in order. We have Andrew, then Barrett, then Bennett, all the way to the end in ascending order. And we can do exactly the same thing for descending order. As we can see here. So now we can see that our employee ID is now unsorted by number. So let's restore that to the way it was, and we're going to sort on the number information instead. And we want that to be sorted in ascending order from 1 to the end, just like it was before. So I'm going to select the employee ID column this time, which is in numbers, and hit sort ascending. And it just goes the exact same way. Excel is going to prompt me to expand to the entire selection or just sort what I have. So let's try that. Let's sort just the selection. So we can see that cells from 2 to 10, from rows 2 to 10 are sorted in ascending order because I just sorted only the cells that were selected at the time. Now let's expand to the entire selection and sort. So now we have it um, sorted in order from 1 to the end, just like it was before. With these tips, now you can do more with Excel. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing and see you in the next class.